Do you know? You can get amazing things such as Google Play gift cards, Steam gift cards, and Amazon gift cards just by playing your favorite games, like Minecraft, CSGO, Valorant, etc. If you don't, then watch the video till the end, because I will be showing you 4 ways to earn money using your PC or mobile. But before starting the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe my channel as it motivate me to make more videos. It's always free and you can change it later. Alright, let's start the video. Number 1, Buff.Game. Buff is an app designed for gamers, a program that rewards you simply for playing. All you have to do is keep playing while the Buff app runs on the back, and you'll earn Buff points according to your in-game achievements. And you can buy gift cards and other things on the Buff coins. This app is safe to use and have excellent reviews on Trustpilot. To get started, first you will need to download Buff app in your PC, and yeah, if you download it from my link, which is in the description, then you will get 30 coins directly after signing up. Once your downloading is started, just wait, and after that install the app. So after downloading and install, when you open the app, you will see something like this. Here you will see your tier, daily rewards and spins, and some other promotions. To earn coins, you will need to go to challenges. Here you will see a lot of games like Minecraft, PUBG, and CSGO. If you are a Minecraft player and want to earn coins from Minecraft, then you will need to complete these achievements. And after that you will get 20 coins from this app. Just like this, if you are a PUBG player, then you will need to complete these achievements, and after that you will get coins from the Buff app. There are a lot of games, you can check them yourself if you downloaded the app. Now let me show you how you can redeem gift cards from the Buff coins. To redeem gift cards, you will need to go to the store. Here you will find a lot of gift cards and much more. From here you can select premium only, game keys, and much more. And from here you can redeem your Google Play gift cards, Discord Nitro, Amazon gift cards, and much more. This app is very useful, but the bad thing about this app is, it takes a lot of time to collect the amount of coins for the gift cards and game keys. It can take more than a month to or maybe 2 months to collect 1000 coins in this app. But at least it's better than getting nothing from the games. Another thing, if you want to fully close Buff app, then you will need to close it from your Windows tray also, because it opens in background. Number 2, Salad. Salad is a crypto mining app that use your CPU and GPU to mine crypto, and on that crypto you can buy amazing things such as Google Play gift cards, Amazon gift cards, gaming gift cards, etc. To get started, all you need to do is come to this website from the description. After that, click on Start Earning button, then download for the system which you want. After downloading, simply install the app. After installing, simply open the app. Agree to their term of service and enter your email address to sign up. It will send you a one-time login code to your email, so check out your email for the code. After entering the code, simply press enter or click on the submit button. Wait for some time until you see this welcome message. Now click on Let's Go. It's the section of referral code. So if you use my referral code which is on the screen, then you will earn 2x faster. Like you will earn crypto 2x faster than the normal. So if you want to earn 2x faster, then enter this code and click on the submit button. After doing all these you will see something like this. Now all you have to do is simply start mining. To get started, click on the start button. For the first time, you will not mine anything for 30 minutes because first it will install and test which miners are best for your PC, then after that you will start earning. So you will need to wait for 30 minutes, then you can earn crypto and buy gift cards, etc. Once you mine crypto and want to buy something, you can go to the store section and check what type of thing you want to buy, like gift cards or gaming gift cards, or you can simply search here. For example, I'm going to buy Discord Nitro. Then search your item and select which you want to buy. I want to buy Discord Nitro Classic. Once you are here, simply click on Buy Now. At the payment section, simply click on Pay with Salad and you are done. It will take about 5 to 10 seconds, and after that you can redeem your item. It will send you a notification, so when you click on it, it will lead you to Rewards Vault, and from there you can redeem your gift card. Or you can simply click on your account profile and from there you can go to Rewards Vault. You can click on Redeem Rewards to get it. It will also send you a mail about your reward to your email which you used, so you can also claim from there. I'm not going to redeem it, because I will be doing giveaway it in my server, so if you are a Discord user then consider joining my Discord server because we are doing weekly giveaways there. Before going further, don't forget to use my code. Number 3, Honeygain. First, let's start about what actually Honeygain is. So Honeygain is the first ever app that allows its users to make money online by sharing their internet connection. When you download it to your device and share your unused data, you'll earn cash. The app is best for people who have an unlimited data plan and don't use it all. To get started, all you need to do is to come to this dashboard, and yes, if you sign up from my referral code, then you will get $5 at once while signing up, so consider signing up from my link. You will find link in the description. If you clicked on my referral code, then you will see something like this. Just click on claim $5 now and sign up your account. I already have an account, then I will simply log in. After doing this, you will need to complete 2 more steps: downloading the app and installing the app. Honeygain is available on all devices such as Mac OS, Windows, and even on Android devices. To download the app for Windows, simply click on Download for Windows, and you are done. I already downloaded, so I will cancel. After downloading, install the app. The installation is very simple and will take a few seconds to install. After installing, you will get a notification that Honeygain is now running. Now the last thing is, you will just need to log in your account here, and after that you can start your earning. Log in your account which you used in their website. Once you logged in, now you are ready to earn money. All you need to do is to leave your PC or mobile open, and it will use your 10% of your internet, and you can earn money from that. Remember guys, it will only use 10% of your internet, not 50 or 100%, so you don't need to worry about your internet slowness or anything. You can check all your data on your dashboard. You will get $0.01 by sharing 1 GB of your internet, and $1 by sharing 10 GB of your internet. Once you completed $20 in your wallet, you can easily withdraw your money. This app is 100% trusted because my 2 friends are using it, and also it has excellent reviews on Trustpilot. Now let's talk about some privacy, like Honeygain is safe to use? And it can steal my data? So it works discreetly in the background and has access to all your network connections. Sounds a little creepy. And also Honeygain doesn't gather personal data from its users beyond what's necessary for the service. And if you still don't trust, then you can search more about Honeygain on Google, and you will get all the information. Number 4, IP Royal. IP Royal is same as Honeygain. You will just need to download their app and will need to share your data, and you will get cash. This app is fully safe like Honeygain. The only difference between Honeygain and IP Royal is, Honeygain minimum payout is $20, while IP Royal minimum payout is $5. To get started, you will need to come to their website. After that, click on the button, Download for Windows, to download their app and wait for the downloading. After downloading, install the app. The installation is very simple. After installing, log in with your account which you used in their website. Now wait for some time until they establish your connection. Once your connection is started, now you are ready. Just leave this app on in your PC or mobile, and you will earn cash. The minimum payout of IP Royal is $5, so when you collect $5 in your account, you can easily withdraw it. And from the settings section, you can change some basic settings like open at startup, etc. And yeah, if you use my referral code which is in the description, then you can directly get $1 by signing up. You will just need to click on the link which is in the description, then click on claim $1, and you are done. I cannot claim because this is my own referral code.